Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to create a content calendar using Clickup. So first thing is just simply go to one of your workspace, and after that go to one of your spaces over here on the left side and just simply click on the play icon, and you will have the projects over here. Now just simply go to one of your projects over here, guys, and just simply click on the three dots over here, list settings. Just simply go for the templates and go for browse templates, and just simply search over here content at the search bar at the top, and you should be able to see here content calendar. So you can just simply click on this one, or you will have multiple options over here as well. And now once you click on it, you can just simply use template and just simply list a name and just simply provide all of the necessary information when needed, and just simply click on use template at the bottom right. And from here you will have a content calendar created for you, and you can just simply change it based on your preferences. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, guys, just simply comment down below. Thanks for watching. See ya.